Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini saya akan menunjukkan lagi hands on saya pada sebuah lab yang berjudul Introduction to Amazon AC2. Oke, kita lanjut membuat labnya. Kita tes in web lab 3 introduction to Amazon AC2 lab overview and objective. Kita start dulu, kita tunggu sampai hijau. In this lab provide you with a basic overview of launching, resizing, managing and monitoring an Amazon AC2 instance, Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud AC2. Is a web service that provides resizable compute capacity in the cloud. It is designed to make web scale cloud computing easier for developers. Amazon AC2 simple web service interface allow you to obtain and configure capacity with minimal friction. It provides you with complete control of your computing resource and lets you run an Amazon proven computing environment. Amazon AC2 reduce the time required to obtain a new server instance to minutes. Wait. Amazon AC2 reduce the time required to obtain and boot new server instance to minutes, allowing you to quickly scale capacity both up and down as your computing changes. Amazon AC2 change the economic of computing by allowing you to pay only for capacity that you actually use. Amazon AC2 provide developer the tools to build failure resilience application and isolate themselves from common failure scenario. Jadi Amazon AC2 ini provide developer untuk membuat tools to build failure resilience application dan mengisolasi dari skenario kesalahan yang biasa. After completing this lab, you should be able to do the following: launch the web server with termination protection enable, monitoring your AC2 instance, modifying the security group that your web server is using to allow HTTP access, resize your Amazon AC2 instance to scale and enable stop protection, explore AC2 limit, test stop protection, stop your AC2 instance. Duration this lab takes approximately 35 minutes to complete. Okay, 35 maybe. AWS service restriction in this lab one access the AWS service will be restricted to the ones that are need to complete. Kita di setiap lab pasti ada ini ya, ada panduan untuk mengakses AWS Management Console. Jadi mungkin kita tunggu aja sampai hijau, kita lanjut aja. Getting credit for your work. At the end of this lab, you will be instructed to submit the lab to receive a score based on your progress. Tip: the script that checks your work may only award point if you name resource and set configuration as specific. Okay. In particular, value in this instruction that appear in this format should be entered explicitly and documented. Okay, sensitive task 1: launch your Amazon AC2 instance. In this task, you will launch an Amazon AC2 instance with termination protection and stop protection. Termination protection prevents you from accidentally terminating the AC2 instance, and stop protection prevents you from accidentally stopping the AC2 instance. You will also specify a user data script when you launch the instance that will deploy a simple web server. In the AWS Management Console, choose service, choose compute, and choose AC2. Choose the launch instance menu and select launch instance. database, choose compute, choose compute, choose EC2. Kita buka dulu. Save, kita lanjut. Kita pilih EC2.
Tinggal tanda tangan lagi ya yang kemarin terima, soalnya tadi angkanya ketukar-tukar.
Not verify that your EC2 console is currently managing resource in the Virginia use is one region. You can verify this by looking at the drop-down menu on top of the screen to the left of your username. If it does not already indicate Virginia, choose the Virginia region from the region menu before proceeding to the next step. Choose the launch instance menu and select launch instance. Oke. Kita Virginia udah betul. Nah, di sini kita langsung diminta untuk launch instance. Step 1, name and text. Give the instance the name web server.
Terus anjir tanda-tandanya.
Step 1, name and text. Give the instance name web server. The name you give this instance will be stored as a text, enable you to categorize your AWS resource in different ways, for example by purpose, owner, or environment. This is useful when you have many resources and type. You can quickly identify a specific resource based on the tag you have assigned to it. Each tag consists of a key and a value, both of which you define. You can define multiple tags to associate with the instance if you want to. In this case, the tag that will be created will consist of a key called name with a value of web server. Step 2, application and OS image, Amazon machine image. Step 7, in the list of available quick start AMIS, keep the default Amazon AMI selected. Kita cari, kita biarkan dia di selected. Amazon, keep default Amazon Linux AMI. Okay. Also keep the default Amazon Linux AMI selected. Okay, di 2023.
Tantangan Kak?
Ya, tantangan. Mana bos? Oke.
Beda.
Tantangan ke bos?
Hah?
Ya, Wan. Berapa Wan tantangan?
Satu kan Wan? Satu tangan? Satu apa dua? Satu. Coba beliknya ada lagi nggak? Nggak ada.
Benar mah? Depan. Oke, kita lanjut.
Dua. Bukan nih. Yang semester berapa ini?
Kita lanjut ke
Belikin kan.
An Amazon machine image provides web to launch an instance which is a virtual server in the cloud and include the template for the root volume for the instance, example an operating system or an application server with application.
Enggak, ini beda lagi.
Launch permission that control which AWS account can use the AMI to launch instance. a block device mapping that specify the volume attached to the instance when it is launched. The quick start is the most commonly used AMI. You can also create your own AMI or select an AMI from OS Marketplace.
Gue bingung lah kita mau bahas apa kalau ada.
Oh, quick start.
Kelas kan di 2.0. Kalau di jadwal awal
Online store where you can sell or buy software that run on AWS. Okay.
Tergantung dosen.
Step 3, instant type. In the instant type panel, keep the default T2 micro selected. T2 ya, ini T3. Kita mau T2 micro aja.
Mana ada dewa itu? Iya.
T2 micro selected. Okay. Amazon EC2 provide a wide selection instance type optimized to fit different use case. Instance type comprise varying combination of CPU, memory, storage, and networking capacity, and give you the flexibility to choose the appropriate mix of resources for the application. Each instance type include one or more instance size, allowing you to scale your resource to the requirement of your target workload. The T2 micro instance type has one virtual CPU and 1 gigabit of memory. Note, you may be restricted from using other instance type instead. You may be restricted from using other instance type instead. Okay. Kita pakai yang T2 micro. Step 4, page login. For key pair name required choose 4K. Amazon EC2 uses public key cryptography to encrypt and decrypt login information to ensure you will be able to log into the guest OS of the instance you create. You identify an existing key pair, upgrade a new key pair, and when launching the instance, Amazon EC2 then install the key on the guest OS when the instance is launched. The way when you attempt to log into the instance and you provide the private key, you will be authorized to connect to the instance. Note, in this step you will not actually use the key pair you have specified to log in your instance. Okay. Step 1, networking setting. Next to the networking setting, choose edit. For PVC, select lab PVC. Lab PVC. The lab PVC was created using an AWS Cloud Formation template during the setup process of your lab. This PVC includes 2 public subnets in 2 different availability zones. Okay, not default subnet, public subnet 1. Public subnet 1. This is the subnet in which the instance will run. Notice also that by default the instance will be assigned a public IP address. Under firewall security group, choose create security group and configure. Under firewall security group, choose create security group. Create security group. Okay. Security group name, web server security group. Kita copy. Web security group, description security group for my web server. Description security group for my web server. Akan melakukan pada cloud computing 2, yaitu pada kali ini kita akan melakukan yaitu IAM pada Oke, kita lanjut. A security group acts as a virtual firewall that control the traffic for one or more instance. When you launch an instance, you associate one or more security group with the instance. You add rules to each security group that allow traffic to or from its associate instance. You can modify the rules for the security group at any time. The new rules are automatically applied to all instances that are associated with the security group. Under inbound security group rules, notice that one rule exists. Remove this rule. Inbound Under inbound security group rules, notice that one rule exists. Remove this rule. What? Remove. A. Okay, step 6, configure storage. In this configure storage section, keep the default setting. Amazon EC2 store data on the network attached virtual disk called Elastic Block Store. You will launch the Amazon EC2 instance using a default 8 GB disk volume. This will be your root volume, also known as a boot volume. What the heck? Wait a minute. Security group. Ya betul. Step 6, configure storage. In the configure storage section, keep the default setting. Amazon EC2 store data. Configure storage. Kita storage-nya sama begini. Step 2, advance detail. Expand advance. Kita for termination protection select enable. Terminated protection select enable. When an Amazon EC2 instance is no longer required, it can be terminated, which means that the instance is deleted and its resources are released. A terminated instance cannot be accessed again, and the data that was on it cannot be recovered. If you want to prevent the instance from being accidentally terminated, you can enable termination protection for the instance, which prevent it from being terminated as long as this setting remains enabled. Scroll to the bottom of the page and then copy the password code shown below into the user data box. When you launch the instance, you can pass user data to the instance that can be used to perform automated installation and configuration tasks after the instance starts. Your instance is running Amazon in 2023. The shell script you have specified will run as a root guest OS user when the instance starts. The script will install an Apache web server, configure the web server to automatically start and on boot, run the web server once it has finished installing, create a simple web page. Selanjutnya, step 8, launch the instance. At the bottom of the summary panel, choose launch instance. You will see success message. Burung gile piye. How can we go back to being? Lanjut.
Untuk masuk melalui konsol lalu user 1. The following grupnya ada di sini.
Masuk ke instance. Kita screenshot dulu untuk kebutuhan
tantangan
Tigo. Configure storage. Lanjut advance detail. Termination protection.
Lalu
Oke, yang terakhir ini.
di bagian information atau izin sudah buka itu manage policy software with it all Amazon itu with on the manage policy
Oke, lanjut.
oke jadi
Step 8, launch the instance. At the bottom of the summary panel, choose launch instance. You will see a success message. Okay, launch.
lihat ya bahwasannya di isi support ini
Choose view all instance. In the instance list, select web server, review the information display in the details tab. It includes information about the instance type, security setting, and network setting. Sukses. Mantap.
perubahan segala macam. Lalu kita mau ganti mengupdate tulisan, kita akan merubah juga kebijakan yang akan dipakai dari semua user pada
View all instance in the instance list, select web server.
the first
View all instance itu di akhir.
kita diberikan kalau
In the instance list, select web server. Select. Review the information display in the details tab. It includes information about the instance type, security setting, and network setting detail.
Kebijakan ini diberikan permission terlihat di tulisnya di sini. Jadi dideskripsikan informasi yang terkait baik itu configuration, workforce, dan auto scaling. Beberapa ability ini itu apa?
Di sini terdapat web servernya kita.
Lihat
Sini ada beberapa settingannya. Di sini kan kita sedang melakukan initialization ya. Oke, kita cek di sini ada instance ID-nya, public IP port-nya, private IP port address, public DNS, internet state, running. Sini ada host tipenya, DNS-nya, instance tipenya ada T2 micro, VPC ID, awasir computer optimizer finding.
Ini API call ini kan memang terlihat ya, ada effect, ada action, ada juga resource. Ini bisa ditentukan, didefinisikan ke depannya itu mau apa ya?
Ini masih initialization ya, masih install. The instance is assigned a public IP for the DNS that you can use to connect to instance from the internet. To view more information, drag in the window divider upward. At first, the instance would appear in a pending state, which means it's being launched. At first, the instance will appear the pending state. Pertama dia pending, which means it's being launched. Yang mana itu berarti dia sedang melakukan launch. It will change to initializing and finally to running. Kita tunggu sampai ini running, seperti nanti kita cek ya, running ya.
Sama ya dia
Wait for you instant display the following: running to check pass. Nah, congratulations, you have successfully launched your first Amazon EC2 instance. Kita refresh, masih kita tunggu dulu. tunggu, oke? Kita cek dulu.
diizinkan create, release, describe,
Oke.
objek lambda objek, dan pada ini kita hanya mengucapkan kita cuma lihat yaitu cakupan
sudah 2/2 berarti dia sudah launch. Congratulations, you have successfully launched your first Amazon EC2 instance. Just to monitor your instance. Monitoring is an important part of maintaining the reliability, availability, and performance of your Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, atau dikasihkan dengan Amazon EC2 instance and your AWS solution. Choose the status check step with instance status monitoring. Choose the status check. Okay. With instance status monitoring, you can quickly determine whether Amazon EC2 has detected any problem that might prevent your instance from running application. Amazon EC2 perform automated check on every running EC2 instance to identify hardware and software issue. Notice that both the system reachability and instance reachability checks have passed. System reachability. Mana yang maksudnya itu yang mana? Lanjut, choose the monitoring tab. This tab display Amazon CloudWatch metric. Sabar sebentar. Monitoring tab. Oh, ini monitoring tab. Terus status cek. Yang mana, Nas? Cek ini monitoring cek. This display Amazon CloudWatch metric for the instance. Currently, there are not many metrics to display because instance was recently launched. You can choose the three dot icon in any graph and select enlarge to see an expanded view of the chosen metric. Amazon EC2 Sense metric to Amazon CloudWatch for your EC2 instance. Basic 5-minute monitoring is enabled by default. You can also enable detail 1-minute monitoring. In the action menu toward the top control, select monitor troubleshoot get system lock. In action,
menggunakan Amazon EC2 instance yang dimana
get system lock monitoring and troubleshooting. Get system lock. Ternyata ini di screenshot. Apa? Kita masuk. The system lock display the console output of the instance, which is a valuable tool for problem diagnosis. It is especially useful for troubleshooting kernel problem and service configuration issue that could cause an instance to terminate or become unreachable before its SSH daemon can be started. If you do not see a system lock, wait a few minutes and then try again. Scroll through the output and note that the HTTP packet was installed from user data that you had when you create the instance. System lock. Ouch. Sering get system lock. Ini yang dia minta ya. Choose cancel. Ensure web server is still selected, then in the action menu select monitor and troubleshoot. Get instant screenshot to show you what your Amazon S3 console would look like if a screen were attached to it. Masih masuk action lagi, kita tadi apa? Monitoring troubleshooting lagi, tapi kita sekarang diminta untuk get instant screenshot. If you are unable to reach your instance via RDP, you can capture the screenshot of your instance and create an image. This provide visibility as the status of the instance and allow for quicker troubleshooting. Choose cancel. Congratulations, you have explored several ways to monitor your instance. Oh, oke. Jadi kita monitor itu kita bisa di action sini ya. Jadi tombol action di sini digunakan untuk kita melakukan monitoring untuk kepada server kepada instance kita. Kita lanjut ke task 3, update your security group and access the web server. Then you launch the EC2 instance. You provide a script that install a web server, create a simple web page. In this task you will access content from a web server. Ensure web server is disabled. Choose the detail. Mana detail ini? Detail, oke. Copy the public IP4 address of your instance to your clipboard. Public address. Oke. Open a new tab in your web browser, paste an IP address you just copy, then press enter. Mana ini? Sabar, tunggu dulu. Question, are you able to access your web server? Why not?
Lagi
udah 3 kali le. Why not? Why not? You are not currently able to access web server because the security group is not permitted in both terminal and port 18. With this is used for HTTP web request. This is demonstration of the security group as a firewall to restrict the network traffic that is allowed in the output of an instance. To correct this, you will now update the security group to permit web traffic on port 18. Keep the browser tab open but return to EC2 console. Keep the browser auto open but return to EC2 console tab. In the left navigation pane, choose security group. Ini security group. Select web security server security group. Web server security group. Aduh. Web server security group. Choose the inbound rules tab. The security group currently has no inbound rules. No inbound rules. Oke, kita lanjut. No inbound rules. Choose edit inbound rules, select add rules, and then configure. Add rules. Tipe HTTP anywhere hyperport. Tipenya HTTP. Mana HTTP? HTTP. Source anywhere IP4.
Ini terlihat bahwasanya you are not authorized to perform this operation.
Choose set rules. Oke.
Memiliki akses ya untuk melihat daftar list dari intent di situ seperti itu.
Dua. Okay, return to the web server tab. Then you previously open and refresh the page. You should see the message hello from your web server. Congratulations, you have successfully modified. Sabar. Kita save dulu. Oke, kita masuk.
Diminta untuk keluar dari
tinggal. Oke. Okay, congratulations, you have successfully modified your security group to permit HTTP traffic into your Amazon EC2 instance. Okay, congratulations. Task 4. Resize your instance type and ABS volume. As your need change, you might find that your instance is over utilities too small or under utilities too large. If so, you can change the instance type. For example, if at T2 micro instance is so small for its workload, you can it to M5 medium instance. Similarly, you can change the size of this. Stop your instance. Before you can reset the instance, you must stop it. When you stop the instance, it is shut down. There is no runtime charge for the stopped EC2 instance, but the storage charge for attached Amazon ABS volume remains. On EC2 management console in the left pane, choose instance and then select the web server instance. EC2 management system.
itu adalah laptop juga
Instance ya. Nomor lagi instance kan ya?
select
And then select web server. In the instance state menu, select stop instance. Instance state, stop instance. Instance state, stop instance.
Aku kirim ke Dan aja ya, namanya. Ya boleh. Loh. Aku kirim ke Dan aja ya. Nah, kalian aja, aku udah top up nih.
Stop instance.
20 ya. Itu.
To stop your instance will perform a normal shutdown and then will stop running. Wait for the instance state to display red.
Iya, motor cici. Karena gua banyak bocornya 3, jadi nggak bisa lah di tubeless.
To stop your instance will perform a normal shutdown and
Itu Sama pakai cairan gitu ya.
Kita
Ya iyalah.
What? Mana ini? Oh, ini stop. Mana?
Assalamualaikum.
terdapat error ya, terdapat
Bobor
kita tidak memberikan izin ataupun akses pada
Change the instant type and enable stop protection. Select the website instant, then in action menu select instant setting, change instance type. Action udah lah. Action instant setting, change instant type. Oke.
nanti sebagai bisa dulu kita kan
Boker gua. Masuk. Maaf ya, sih.
Depan.
Tadi pagi udah.
Instant setting, change instant type. Oke.
Cek ATM-nya.
Then configure instant type to small. Just
Makanya, Wek. Itu lu sekalian istirahat.
gimana
Ntar
caranya?
lagi lah, 30.
Oh. Small. Mana teh? A B C D E F G. Small. Nah lah. Choose apply. When the instant is started again, it will run as a tissue small, which has twice as much memory as the 2 micro. Instead, note, you may be restricted from using other instant type instead.
jadi walaupun jadi kita tugaskan yang terakhir di sini kita mengakses dua ini
Yang belum itu tanda tangan.
Select the web server instant, then in the action menu.
Aduh.
Apply mana apply? Di sini nggak ada apply.
Yang ngambil alat kemarin tanda tangan ulang.
Terus apply. Mana apply? Nggak ada. Change instant type ada di. Ada apply. Lah, cepetan. Select the web server instant in action to stop. Oh, tadi change instant type. Nah, ini ada tulisan.
Kemarin tuh kolomnya ini acak-acakan, dibenerin jadi.
Set. Select the web server instance. Oh, masih lama, sabar. Select the web server instance in the action menus instance setting change stop protection. Mana ya? Select the web server instance, then in the action menu select instance setting change stop protection. Stop protection.
Lain kali gabung semua aja.
Lain kali tuh satu kelas gabung aja lah CTF. Jangan ada.
Satu gini pusingnya, minta ampun. Berarti 500 besar, 300 besar,
Change
200 besar berarti.
3 lompatnya. Oh. Ban gua tadi.
Select enable and then
Kenapa aku apa-apa?
Hah?
Kenapa aku apa-apa?
Ada ampun pokoknya 3 lubangnya. Gua pakai motor hijau aja lah besok kan. Pakai Vario ini aja. Tidak make sense.
When you stop an instant, the instant shut down. When you let the start instant is typically migrate to a new underlying host computer and assign a new public IP address. An instant retains its assigned private IP address. When you stop an instant, it does not delete any ABS volume and the data on those volume are retained. Resize the ABS volume with the web server instance still selected. Choose the storage tab. Select the name of the volume ID, then select the checkbox next to the volume then display. In the action menu, select modify volume. Modify volume. Setting. Nggak ada ya. In action menu select modify in action.
Deal. Ini lu belum tanda tangan ya?
Ada. Action modify gimana ini? Which the was return still selected to storage tab. Select the name of the volume. Oh,
Wih Riki. Wih Ki. Tanda tangan.
storage tab, storage. Mana storage? Ah, storage. Storage tab, select the name of the volume ID, then select the checkbox next to the volume then display. Select the name of the volume ID. Oke, sudah.
Kita bersyukur aja.
Kita lanjut.
Bubuk nasi kok. Udah ya.
Yuk. Nanti lah.
Aduh.
30. Nanti kalian pindah.
34. Oke. In action menu select modify volume. This volume currently has size of 8 GB. You will now increase the size of this. In action.
Lanjut.
Emang ada?
Stop itu.
Stop ya.
Modify volume. Nggak ada nih. Modify volume. Maksudnya gimana nih? Di mana ini? Tunggu, kita baca ulang lagi ya. In the action menu, select modify menu action. Ada, sabar, kita cek dulu. Di mana ya? Waduh, ada suaranya nggak ini? Modify menu. Sabar. Di mana itu? Kok hilang ini? Nama action. action nggak ada action. Kita cari dulu ya, oke? In the action menu, select modify menu. Di this volume ke ini. In the action, modify menu, monitoring nggak ada.
Yang udah saya menentukan statusnya. Kita lanjut ke karena di sini
Saya cek dulu.
langsung juga ya untuk stock defense ya semua berarti ya.
Oh alah. Oh seperti itu. Jadi kita pencet ini dulu, jangan lupa. Kita pencet dulu, oke. Nah kita select. Ini yang benar salah. Salah. Kita save lagi. 35. Nah lanjut ke action. Nah ini modify volumenya. Save. Nah kita lanjut. Change the size to 10 note. You may be restricted from the creating Amazon database volume larger than 5 GB in this lab. Change the size to 10. Modify volume. Kita masuk ke volume. Kita
Aksen ketua aksen pada
change the size to 10 note. Size to 10 note. Ini 10. Salah, kenapa di screenshot duluan ya? Benar. Choose modify again to confirm the increase the size. Change the size to 10. Modul itu modify.
Cek dulu ban gua udah bener belum. Jam berapa nih? Lagi. Hah?
Lanjut start the
Nanti lo kalau ke SMS bawa tesan gue lah.
will now start the
Lah.
start again, which
Lupa lu.
will now have more memory and more
lagi KB.
disk space.
Kamu ya, Abi?
In
Kalau
left
dijatuh lagi
navigation
itu
pane. Iya. In the left navigation pane, choose instance. Select the web server instance. In the instance state menu, select start instance.
Serius, itu
Congratulations.
bukan.
Bukan. You have successfully reset your Amazon
Berapa
EC2
nih?
instance in
Ya.
this task. You change your instance yang kemarin. Instance it converted to small. You also can Modify you route this volume from G8 GIB to 10 GIB.
Bakar.
You will now start laser again, which is now will have more memory and more space in the left node of the pane. Choose instance. Oh.
Bakar.
Instance. Select the web server's instance. Okay, sudah select. In the instance state menu select start instance. Congratulations, you have successfully resigned instance state. Start instance. Let's stop.
User 3
Congratulations, you have successfully your Emergency to instance. In this task you change your instance type from T2 micro to T2 small. You also modify your disk volume from 8 GIB to 10 GIB. Task file. Explore AC2 limit. Amazon AC2 provide different resources that you can use. These resources include image, instance, volume, and snapshot. When you create an AWS account, there are default limit on the resource on per region basis. Service quotas. Mana servis kuota sih? Oh, search.
Oke nggak? Udah gue coba nih. Itu dua
Choose the AWS service. From the navigation menu and then in the AWS service, find the service search bar, search for EC2 and choose Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. Amazon EC2. Choose Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. Okay, choose. In the find quota search bar, search for running on demand, but do not make any selection is style observe and filter list of service quota that not the criteria. Notice that there are limit on the number and type of instance that can run in a region. For example, there is a limit on the number of running on the standard instance that you can launch in this region. When launching instance, the request must not cause your users to exceed the instance limit currently defined in the region. If you are the AWS account owner, you can request an increase for many of the limit.
Kita makan di mana?
Test stop protection.
Cepat.
Stop your instance when you do not need to access, but you would still like to retain it. In this task, you will learn how to use stop protection.
Ini ya, Vario ini banyak masalah tuh Vario. Vario itu banyak oke lah. Vario lo banyak kan tinggal banyak tuh.
In the AWS Service Console, in the server service, search for the EC2 application.
Cih, makan enggak?
Duluan.
Duluan dah.
Tadi
Ini kamera hidup ya?
hidup lah. Ini lagi ntar gue suruh ngedit dulu. Oke lanjut. You can stop your instance when you do not need this. Oke, kita sudah masuk ke situ. In the AW Management Console, in the Server Service, in the left navigation pane, choose instance. Select web server instance, and in the instance state menu, select web instance. Select web server. In instance state menu, stop instance.
Ayo.
Download.
Orang kantin.
Okay, then choose stop. Note that there is a message that says failed to stop instance may not be stopped. Modify to show that the stop protection that you enabled earlier in select is not really a safeguard to prevent the accident stopping of the instance. If you want to stop the instance, you will need to disable the stop protection. Oh, stop. Oh, I see. In the action menu, change stop process and action, instant setting. Setting. Change stop protection. Change stop protection. Remove the check next to the enable. Set. Choose set. You can now stop the instance. Okay. Select the web server instance again, and in the instance state menu, stop instance. Choose stop. Congratulations, you have successfully stopped. Successfully stopping. Submit your work. To record your progress, to submit at the top of the instruction. Yes. After a couple of minutes, the grade panel appears and show you how many points you earn for each task. If the result don't display after a couple of minutes, choose grade at the top of the instruction. Important sum of check made by submission process in this lab will only give you if it has been at least 5 minutes since you complete the action. If you do not receive credit the first time. Oke, kreditnya sudah 25/25. Lab complete, choose end lab on the top page and choose yes to confirm that you want to end the lab, and the lab panel will appear indicating that you may need to close this message box now. Choose the X in the top corner panel. Choose end lab. Yes. Oke, selesai.
Balik aja.
Udah? Enggak. Apa ya? Lo izin nggak? Hah? Udah selesai soal gua. Ini apa? Cloud. Oh. Ya kan cuma satu kan? Jadi akhir. Iya. Enggak ini.
Selesai. Gue Pak, gue juga sama. Lah udah. Yang terakhir nih kan? Bukan, gue yang ini. Oh, yang terakhir tadi itu jadi oh di stop ya? Gue dia langsung ke sini saya gitu. Gue bisa. Ya benar. Jadi dia kan langsung selesaiin kan? Nah, itu lock out dulu saya. Gue langsung lock out. Kan gue mulai gitu.
Hai. Oh ya. Saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.